Every year, millions of students graduate from colleges across India. They have degree, they have dream, they have hope. But when they sit for their first interview, something unexpected happens. They realize that the world has changed and nobody prepared them for it. That realization is exactly why Skills2Rise was born. For more than 2 decades, I have been working closely with students, professionals, businesses, and technology. During this journey, I have noticed a common pattern. Intelligent people, hardworking people, sincere people were working very hard to have a successful career. It is not that they are not talented. It is because the technologies businesses demanded, the workplace demanded, were different from what they had learned. Technology is changing, businesses are changing, workplace is changing. AI is everywhere. Education is not changing at the same pace. Today, companies don't just ask, what degree do you have? They ask, can you solve problems? Can you analyze data? Can you communicate professionally? Can you use AI? Can you create a dashboard? Can you continue to learn? I realize that there is a huge gap between education and employability, gap between learning and succeeding. Skills2Rise was created to bridge that gap, not to teach software, not to distribute certificate, but to prepare people for the future of work. When someone walks into Skills2Rise, I don't want them to simply learn Excel. I want them to be confident, to think differently, to communicate better, to understand business, to embrace technology, and most importantly, to become a lifelong learner. Because software changes, technology changes, but the ability to learn will be the most valuable skill. I genuinely believe that India has incredible talent. We don't have shortage of intelligence. We have shortage of industry-ready skills. And that's a problem that we can solve. One learner, one workshop, one career at a time. My dream is simple. If someone says, I'm learning at Skills2Rise, the employer should think he is ready. If you are a student, welcome. If you are a working professional, welcome. If you are someone who believes that learning never stops, welcome. This is not just a training institute. This is a community of people preparing for tomorrow. This is Skills2Rise. And this is just a beginning.